Well, this takes me back, back when I didn't know how to fill in my brows, and I didn't. Hi there, gorgeous! The reason I do not have any brows on right now is because I'm testing out a product that popped up on Instagram recently. I'm beginning to hate Instagram. And I thought this was really interesting. It's another one of those weird makeup beauty tools. I wanted to try it out. It may not be worth a crap, but I'll let you know. Is it just me, or every time you go on Instagram, you see something you want to buy? It's becoming a problem. So much so that I think I want to start a series called Instagram Made Me Buy It, and then just test out products that I purchase. Is that something you'd like to see? Let me know below. I'll show you what I mean. I'm gonna go on Instagram right now, and I'm gonna pull up the first thing that sparks my interest on here. Okay, see? This is the perfect example. I actually already bought these. Telling you it's a problem. See these leggings? And they're actually very nice, I have to tell you. They are everything that they seem to be. So this is the product that I purchased off Instagram, and it's an eyebrow template. You're supposed to hold it up to your forehead and be able to fill in your brows. It's written in Chinese completely, so can't understand it, but it looks pretty self-explanatory. I mean, it doesn't look complex or anything. We'll go ahead and zoom you in here. And the product that I'm going to use today to fill in my brows is the one that I picked up recently from 7-Eleven. I actually really like this stuff. It's from the brand Simply Beauty. And this is their light brow powder. I'm gonna use this side of it with an angled brush like that. Using a powder because if I make a mistake, then I can easily wipe it off. Okay. Well, it's gonna make my brows really close together if I follow the template. Look at that. They're gonna be right into the corner of my eye, so I don't, And look at how long that brow is going to be. Oh my gracious. I have lined it up as best as possible. I moved it over a little bit on this side so that it's not right in the corner of my eye there. And I'm gonna use my brush to follow the guideline. I ordered another product too that got shipped today, another makeup product. So I'll be testing that out soon. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but it looked really cool. Like this is something we might actually like. Okay, moment of truth. Are you ready for this? Wow. Well, it's actually not too bad. I mean, it's a little straighter than what I normally do. I'm gonna take another brush here and brush away the excess powder. But it's not bad. It looks pretty good. I would take out a little bit of this down here. Let's see, how am I gonna do that? I'll take an eyeshadow. And see, this is what I'm talking about. Take a little bit of eyeshadow, maybe, and blend away that area. It's not bad. I'm pretty impressed with that. And I am gonna go in and fill in the rest with some more of that powder. Like so. And then I'm going to take a spoolie and blend it. Blend it, girl, blend it. Hot dog, I actually really like that. And it's not my usual brow shape. It gives me a different shape, but I feel like it opens up my eyes a little more. Okay, we'll try this side. What's good is I kind of already have this brow shape. It's not exactly like the stencil, but it's pretty close. I have no natural brows of my own. Thank goodness for brow powder, am I right? It fills in all the sparse areas perfectly. All right, let's see how this side turned out. This is not the same. We'll also fill in the front like we did the other one. This happens to me regardless of if I'm using a stencil or not. There's always one brow that's perfect and the other one looks kind of, they're supposed to be sisters, not twins. And I'll do the same thing over on this brow that I did on the other one, where I define it a little bit more right there, especially because it just drew a little too thick. It's actually pretty good. I'm not mad at it, and it would be something I would use again if I were beginning with makeup and I was still trying to get the gist of how to do the brows. This would really help me form my own shape freehand. You got to consider people too who have alopecia, who have cancer, who may not have any brows of their own. Something like this would be wonderful for those people to be able to fill in their brows or create a shape that looks natural, because this is actually a really nice looking shape, and I could see it working for many different eye shapes out there. So in this instance, Instagram made me buy it, and I'm not mad at you, Instagram. Good job. Even though I had my qualms about it initially, I'm actually really impressed. Let me know what you thought. If I can find it, I will have it linked for you below, but if not, check Instagram. You will more than likely find it there. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I hope you enjoyed this, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon.